Hey guys, what's up? Merry Christmas Eve. Hope you're having an awesome start to your holiday. I'm doing this video as a quick reminder to everyone that today starts the day where all of my plans in my store are 50% off using the code down below in the description. All you have to do is go to my store, upload as many plans as you want, and at checkout, punch in that code and it will take half right off the top. And this will be available all the way through December 26th. So if you didn't catch it on Christmas Eve and you didn't catch it on Christmas, you still have the day after Christmas to get it done. And this is for the people that want to get in on some discounts if they didn't win the giveaway, because the giveaway is going to be announced on Christmas Day. And I hope that that lucky winner is able to get as many plans as they want and build to their heart's content, because you know, it's the season for giving, and I'm giving as much as I can to that person. So anyway, I will go ahead and get off here. This is just a quick video that I wanted to do as a reminder, and I will probably be back on very, very soon with a new SketchUp video. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Boom!